Well, we will continue to celebrate breast cancer awareness this month. It goes all the way through October. And with this disease, it's really important to raise awareness and also to tell the stories of breast cancer survivors. Now, I spoke with one of the survivors, and I talked to her about how she tackles breast cancer literally one day at a time.
Ouch, what is that? Well, that was my wake-up call. Isn't that strange?
Ann Gunter remembers last October all too well. While vacationing with her daughter, she noticed a sharp pain and a lump in one of her breasts. Having no family history, Ann wasn't too worried at the time, but either way, she called for a mammogram appointment immediately after returning to Mississippi.
Although I lost both my parents to cancers, so I always wondered, you can't outrun your heredity.
Initial results were negative, but Ann still wanted to be sure and had biopsies done, which clarified her suspicion that her lump was indeed cancerous. Unfortunately, Ann had stopped getting yearly mammograms.
And I was told I had stage 2 HER2 positive breast cancer. Of course it scared me, but on the other hand, I also believe that awareness is a good first step.
Not only does she participate in breast cancer support group sessions, she also wears homemade pins and tells personal stories of her struggle with the disease.
I'm the mama. I'm accustomed to taking care of other people and being in a position where everybody had to take care of me. It was an amazing position to be in. You find out who loves you, and they love you a lot. And people were so good to me.
As of now, Ann is cancer-free, but is still undergoing treatment of antibodies through a port in her system. Now, she considers herself a prime example that even if you have no history of breast cancer, you should still get checked yearly.
Prayer and good doctors and good medicine can get you through.
Reporting in Jackson, I'm meteorologist Lindsay Slater with Fox 40 News.